Welcome to this Python tutorial on basic input and output, brought to you by Amatip IT. In this tutorial, we will cover the fundamentals of input and output operations in Python programming. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. Let's start by understanding the concept of input in Python programming. Input is a way to interact with the user and receive data. To take input from the user, we use the built-in input function. You can prompt the user for input by passing a string as an argument to the input function. The user will then enter their input, which can be stored in a variable for further use. To display output in Python, we use the print function. The print function allows us to output text or the value of a variable to the console. You can output a simple string or concatenate multiple strings using the print function. To format the output, you can use string formatting techniques like fstrings or the format method. You can also specify the end parameter to modify the default behavior of the print function. The end parameter determines what character or string to append at the end of the printed text. Additionally, you can redirect the output to a file by using the redirection operator, greater than. To read from a file, you can use the built-in open function in Python. This function allows you to open a file in various modes, such as read, write, or append. Once you have opened a file, you can read its contents line by line or read the entire file at once. After reading or writing to a file, it's important to close the file using the close method to free up system resources. In summary, input and output operations are essential for any programming language, including Python. Understanding how to take user input, display output, and manipulate files is crucial for building interactive and functional programs. That concludes this Python tutorial on basic input and output, brought to you by Amatip IT. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Python programming and other IT-related topics.